How to go live using DJI Pocket 3. Yes, you are listening right. Many people say that you can use this camera as a webcam for your laptop or computer, and if you want to go on live on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or anywhere you want to go live, then you can go using this type of cameras. So how you can do? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now watch the video till the end and learn how to go live using DJI Pocket 3 camera. Like this. Now you want to go live using this Pocket 3 camera, then there is nothing special. You have to just use a Type-C cable that is connected to your laptop or computer, and after that you have to insert it into your camera, and your Pocket 3 camera should be on. Now what you can do, as you can check out, it's in front of you. It's asking you that you want to transfer the data or you want to go to the webcam option. You have to choose that webcam option, and voila, it's automatically work like a webcam. Now whenever you go to the YouTube, for example, I'm going via YouTube live, then you have to choose live option and choose the camera which you want to use. So that's the scenario how you can go live using DJI Pocket 3 camera. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.